Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to use locations in Zoho Inventory. This feature is incredibly useful if you manage stock across multiple warehouses, stores, or offices, as it lets you track exactly where your inventory is at any given time. Let's get started. First, open your browser and navigate to zoho.com/inventory. Once you're there, go ahead and log in to your Zoho Inventory account using your credentials. This will bring you to your main dashboard where you can access all the tools you need to manage your inventory effectively. Now look towards the top right corner of your screen and click on the gear icon. This is your settings menu, and it's where you'll find all the configuration options for your account. Clicking this icon opens up a range of settings that let you customize how Zoho Inventory works for your business. In the settings menu, find and select Locations under the Organization section. This is where you'll enable and manage all your different storage locations. Once you're in this section, you'll see an option to enable locations. Click this button to activate the location feature for your account. Keep in mind that once you enable this feature, it cannot be undone, so make sure you're ready to start tracking inventory by location. With locations enabled, you can now start adding your various storage sites. Click the Add Location button in the top right corner. This opens a form where you'll enter all the relevant details for your new location. Type in the location name, choose the type such as warehouse, store, or head office, and fill in any other required information like address or contact details. Once everything is entered, click Save to add the location to your system. Now that your locations are set up, you can put them to work in your daily operations. When you're creating transactions like sales orders or purchase receives, you'll notice you can now select which location the stock should be allocated from or received into. This ensures accurate tracking of where your inventory is moving to monitor your stock across all locations. Head over to the Items module. Here you'll find a Locations tab that shows you exactly how your stock is distributed across all your different sites. This gives you a clear view of inventory quantities, movements, and stock levels at each location, making it much easier to manage your supply chain efficiently. And there you have it. You've successfully enabled and configured locations in Zoho Inventory, giving you complete visibility over your stock across multiple sites. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.